What is up, my dudes, and that one girl who is super excited for that most magical time of the year, chili cooking season? This is Bikes, Beards, and Brews. Let's kick that intro. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we kick this one off, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification. New videos are coming weekly. You ring that bell, you know when they drop. Let's get the other stuff out of the way. Want to save 10% on a Krew communicator or save some money on some Beyond Riders gear or Kemimoto gear? Then you should definitely check my referral links down below. Want to support me and all my do-gooderness like these cool guys here? Boom! You should become part of the Brew Crew and join the coffee page down below. Want to know why I'm asking you for money? Well, next to those 10,000 Amazon affiliate links that also go to a good cause is a link explaining what I do with your money. Get it? Got it? Cool. Let's move on. All right, guys, so today we are heading down to Boston Harley. No, we're not buying a motorcycle, and no, we're not buying another t-shirt. Boston Harley has a chili cook-off contest going on today, and I went ahead and entered myself. Now you might be saying, well, I've seen people go to chili cook-offs before. Usually they take 4 wheels. How are you getting your chili down there? Well, you know, I got my Hogworks King Tour pack back there, and there is an 8-quart crock pot back there in there with some absolutely awesome chili. It is my Smoky Monster Beard Chili. So we're gonna rock that out, and we're gonna see if we can win this one. I'm feeling confident. I'm feeling good. Actually, in the past, I have won burger cook-offs. I have won chili cook-offs. I won a stew cook-off. I made a whiskey beef stew that just came out absolutely awesome. And then there's other contests where I just went to do some damage. Actually, probably one of my favorite stories is I went and did a chili cook-off. And at the time, I had no intentions of winning this said chili cook-off. I just wanted to bring the doom. So I made a chili with 13 different peppers in it. And the star of the show at the time was the ghost pepper. This was quite a few years back where that was the hottest pepper at the time. But I just completely tossed a lot of peppers in there. And I know that some people tend to eat around the peppers, makes it a little bit cooler for them, and I want to make sure that I got those people as well. So what I did is I actually pureed a lot of those peppers and cooked them right into the chili. So there was no escaping. Now, I'm not heartless, so I made a sign, and the sign was like, "This is my monster chili. This has 13 different types of peppers in it. This is a very hot chili." And then, like, it was a full disclaimer. I was like, I realized that people all the time tell you that they have 5 alarm, 6 alarm, whatever alarm. I'm like, this is a legit hot chili. This chili is not here to be your friend. It's not here to, like, help you move furniture on the weekends with its pickup truck. It's not here to help you after, like, a breakup with a girlfriend. This is the type of chili that shows up at your grandma's house, punches her in the face, and steals your Xbox. So, like, you know, I had a real disclaimer on there. Most people looked at it and they're like, oh yeah, whatever. And then they tried it and they're like, oh my god. It was absolutely hilarious. And I worked the pepper profile. For a lot of you who don't realize, there are different types of peppers that give you different types of results. So there's some that give you building heat. There's some that give you, like, you know, low, moderate heat. There's some that when you eat them, the longer it's in your mouth, the more it actually heats up and burns. So it just progresses. It starts off kind of sweet and then it just becomes a nightmare. So I worked a lot of those different peppers into the chili. So you were just gonna get hit on every single level with no, like, escape or mercy. The best part was there was like this little kid. I don't know how old he is. Whatever this tall is, I think it's maybe like 10 or something. I don't know. Kid comes up and he goes, well, I want some chili. And I go, no, dude, this chili is not for you. And he's like, well, I like spicy chili. But I'm like, no, dude, you don't get it. This chili will ruin your childhood. This is not for you. And he goes, I like spicy chili. I'm like, you know what? You're not my kid. I don't care. So I gave him some. He starts eating it. He starts walking away. All of a sudden, middle of the store, I start hearing like screaming. And it's that kid. And his mouth is on fire. It was glorious. Anyway, long story short, that is not the chili that I'm bringing to Boston Harley. I'm actually attempting to win today. So let's get a little further down the road and let's see how this turns out, shall we? Catch up with you soon. Hey, if you're ever in the area, don't forget to go to the Squire and support single moms. All right, Boston Harley, here we come. What's up? It's actually wicked nice out today. It's windy as all hell, but it's nice out. So, you know, little good, little bad, but man, good ride down here for sure. All right, let's get inside and get set up.
All right, so there's supposed to be 8 entrants. So far, there's 6, including myself. Right now, as it stands, I am the only one that brought his chili on his bike. I feel like I should just win by default at that point. We're at Boston Harley. We're doing a chili cook-off. You bring your chili on your bike. Nonetheless, it's going to be kicking off soon, so let's see how we do, shall we? Let's do this. This is my buddy Chad. He feels like we're taking a picture right now, but we're not.
I thought we were. I could have figured it was for his vlog. He likes to hear his own voice.
I invited him down to try my chili, so Nutsack went ahead and brought his own chili. He did not understand the assignment.
No. He didn't invite. I saw it first, and he actually messaged me, and I did it.
Lies.
I did steal it from one of his posts, though.
The difference between my chili and his chili, he put his testicles in his. Just putting it out there, just, you know, so the world knows.
He put his in. Mine are actually shaved. His are not. I have manscaped.
He's lying. Like, seriously, look, there's a mushroom stamp in his chili. You can see it. He just...
It's a jalapeno pepper.
It's in there. It's in there. Trust me, it's real. It's real.
All right, one last look at Boston Harley before I head out of here. It was fun. So here's the deal. There were a total of 7 people doing a chili cook-off there. It was a hard-fought competition. There were a lot of good people there. It was a good time. I really enjoyed it. And not only that, there were a lot of cool people there. I had friends that came down to visit. I had a viewer come down and visit. That was awesome. It was actually kind of funny because he like left me hanging at first. Dude comes up to the table and he's like, oh yeah, hey, I've been like waiting to meet you. And I'm like, and he's like, oh, I'm the one who offered to give you the gas caps for your Sportster. I'm like, oh dude, what's up? I was just like, I was sitting there like, oh crap, did I make an appointment with someone? Is there like, were we supposed to do something? Wicked cool, dude. I suck at names. I totally forgot your name. I'm sorry. Throw it down in the comments below. For real, like, you were cool, dude. It was fun, and there was just that nice, like, whole thing of like community going on. Like, everyone was being cool with each other. We're just like, you know, joking around, having a good time. It was fun. My buddy Chad came down and entered instead of just showing up to vote for me. Chad. Also, the cool thing about Chad is he does like a dog rescue where he goes around the country, picks them up from states that have kill shelters and brings them over to non-kill shelters. So he is a wicked good dude. He has a nonprofit. He is now a 501, and as soon as I get more information on like links and stuff for you to follow him, I'm gonna share that out, because that is something I'm passionate about for sure. Oh man, what is going on with all the traffic? This is gonna be horrible. This is horrible. I just want to open up the bike and ride. So we're not even close yet, but we're on the North Shore. But I guarantee all of this traffic, I mean, this is a Saturday afternoon in October. I guarantee all of this is for the Topsfield Fair, which is America's oldest fair. Thank you, thank you. And for Halloween, because we are heading towards Salem, Mass right now. And I guarantee this is just tourist after tourist, like just plowing on in there. So this is going to be rough getting home. This is one of the downsides to living in the Salem area, because, oh dude, October, forget about it. For real, forget about it. All right, before I talk about who won the chili contest and all that, I would like to get to the point where I'm not sitting in traffic. So I'll be back. Hang with me. All right, honestly, this is probably about as good as it's gonna get. So yes, there were 7 competitors, including Chad. Stupid Chad. We had a good turnout. A lot of people trying it. It was a fun event. It really was a fun event. And at the end of the day, when all the votes were counted, I won. Oh yeah, what's up? So I'm excited about that. My chili won. There were a lot of great chilies there, a lot of great cooks, a lot of great people. So the competition was fierce, and that was definitely not just handed to me. And it was awesome. So congratulations to everyone who entered. And by all means, like, you see chili cook-offs, you see any of these things, enter them, have some fun, go out, do some cool stuff like this. It is a good time. But yeah, it was totally enjoyable. I won that. I'm excited. I'll wear that as a badge of honor. It's cool. Overall though, awesome time. Like, I can't stress that enough. Boston Harley, thanks for having us down there. It was good. That's what I got for you guys. Have you ever done a chili cook-off? Have you ever just like participated in eating at a chili cook-off? Throw it down below. Let's start the conversation. But aside from that, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, share this video with friends, share it with family, share it with that one dude you know is like, I love seeing chili cook-offs, not actually eating the chili. This video supplies that for you. It's great. He loves this stuff, trust me. And I'll see you all on the flip.